Today I will review the Fairdesk exchange and what it can do for me. I've been testing out a few different alternatives for derivatives trading, and the reason I want to test Fairdesk out today was their bonus. So instantly get 5% on my money. As you can see, I'm testing out with 270 bucks, made $14-15 just from depositing, and I placed a few trades to see how the platform works, the liquidity. It's actually better than a lot of exchanges, and the liquidity and also the price you're getting. With the entry, it's not 0.005, it's actually very exact, which is rare to see from an exchange that is from one of the newer exchanges. As you can see, I placed two trades already up pretty much 1 hour. Basically the risk that I'm taking on BCH, I already have it as a reward. I'm scalping for a bigger reward. I'll talk about that, but first I want to tell you a little bit more about the exchange. So basically there's an accumulated deposit and bonus. 100 to 12k is 5%, 12k to 20k is 3.7%, 3.5%, 3%, 2.75%, which is something you can just deposit and get instantly. I would use this money to fund for the bonus money for my fees, to offset my fees. So basically getting free fees, very important for me as I'm a scalper. I will be looking into exchange more. I can do a follow-up video if you're interested. Just want to tell you that everything that I'm saying will be available in the links in the description down below, and that this video is no financial advice. I'm getting some WordPress. Yeah, 33 bucks on this trade so far. It's a small trade, just to test out everything out. I would encourage you to use it as well, to try it out as well, to participate in the event, by the way, that ends in around a day, probably less than 2 days. New deposit must be transferred to your perpetual trading account. So you basically have to deposit money and then send it to your contract account. During the event, you can trade with funds you transferred to your perpetual trading account. Neither losses nor profits will be factored into your original net deposits. Rewards are calculated based on the progressive reward system. There's different other rewards as well. This is just the deposit rewards. There's a limited time to check it out. So yeah, please do. There's a few options to Fairdesk savings. You have Fairdesk savings with 5% APY for USDC, 4% for USDT. FDT is 80%, but then you also have the unrealized gains. No, how was it called? The risk of price fluctuations. Basically, there was terminology for that. This is the trending products. You have flexible savings, base APY and reward APY. Here it is. Fixed savings, Bitget Exclusive savings, which are 6% for USDC, which is really good. 24% for FDT if you lock the FDT for 90 days. This might be a good idea if you want to hold. This is basically staking on steroids. APY documentation, about us, chat with us, Academy. They actually have a support team, which is really helpful. If you have not seen that on most of the exchanges, affiliate program, FT mining, and this is the Deposit Carnival. This is the event that they have right now. I encourage you to check it out. The way I'm trading today is, as you can see, I managed to long right here on XTZ. I also have a BCH long on the exchange. I have XM and UNFI as well. Everything is green, as you can see, because the market is trying to rebound a little bit. I closed some shorts, but yeah, I was looking for some longs, and this is what I've opened up so far. If you're wondering what indicators I use to trade on Fairdesk, I'll be using VWAP, obviously. I like CDV, this is basically the market orders. RSI to find undervalued, overvalued assets, and I'm trying to buy stuff that have dipped a lot. Basically reversal trading, counter trend trading. I know this is a little risky, but this is what I'm used to. My risk to reward is really high to cover up this risk, so that's all good for me. one of the trades that I'm really waiting for is BCH. We'll see how that performs. I expect to be stopped out 2 or 3 times before getting this trade right, but my risk to reward would be pretty high, so I'm not worried. I basically have BCH right here, Unfi right here. BCH I bought pretty much here on the first green candle and the first market orders that came in, and it's all based on the fact that Bitcoin currently is had a huge dump, instant pullback, and it's now trending again, went down and is now trending up, trying to go around the $19,330 view up. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. See you next one. Bye.